So we have a gaming PC build again for you today. This is going to be going into the GameMax Vegas. The Volcano, I should say. For motherboard and the CPU, we have a Sabertooth 990FX AM3 Plus motherboard. In that already we have an AMD FX 8350. That's overclocked to 4 GHz, so it should play games very, very well. We have an MSI Twin Frozr Gaming X RX 470, the 4GB edition. I know it's not the 8GB, but the 4GB will be more than capable at games like Forza Horizon 3, which I will be playing, and GTA 5, which I also will be playing a lot, mainly Horizon 3. To cool our 8350, we have a Corsair H55 that should cool perfectly fine. We've been using an Arctic A11 cooler on it just to test it at the moment, and that cools it perfectly fine. So a liquid cooler should bring us decent temperatures. We have a red LED fan here, the Phoenix Spectre red LED fan, just to go in the back, because there's no fan in the back of this case when you first get it. We have a WD Black 1TB. We kind of went for that simply because we weren't really able to squeeze an SSD into this system. So it was either spend a little bit more and get a WD Blue and an SSD, which would have been a little bit better, or get the WD Black. We went for the WD Black simply because we have never used one before. So we said we'd go for it. It also kind of matches the build. That's really it. To power all of this, we have an AeroCool Integrator 600 watt. You can see it down the bottom there. I'm stuck in the corner, so I can't very well point to it. But then for lighting, front LED fans, rear LED fan, you can see there is a red LED someplace here, a red LED strip, and then we have a red SATA cable, which should look nice. So I think I'm going to get right into this build. I'm looking forward to doing it. I think the Sabertooth board will look nice. Graphics card should match the build perfectly fine, and I'm just really excited, to be honest. So let's get right into this. So here we have our Asus Sabertooth 990FX board. Now in here we have an FX 8350, still a well capable CPU, and it should be cool to build with Zen once that comes out as well. Here we have, as far as I know, it's an Arctic A11, and that actually cools the CPU pretty well considering it is overclocked. Now one thing I wanted to explain is, in here we have 1333 MHz RAM at the moment. We ordered Corsair Vengeance RAM with the red tops, and it did not get here when it was meant to last week. So we've had to wait another week, still not here. So we're going ahead and using some spare RAM that we had lying around. Now it's not pretty, but it will do the job perfectly fine. If I can't get it out of the socket because there's no heat spreader on it and I can't get a good grip on it. But yeah, it's not pretty, but it will do the job perfectly fine.